Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this super cute look. It's a half cut crease using some orange and yellow tones, also some purple, along with a little bit of glitter. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that way you can see all the makeup videos I am posting. Don't forget to like this video and also comment if you have any questions about any of the products I use, or if you just basically want to comment on this look. So if you want to see how I got it, stay tuned. Hey you guys, so just to jump right into the tutorial, I'm using this bright orange shade from the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. And what I'm going to go do is just go ahead and pack that eyeshadow down into my crease. I like to start using light eyeshadow and then just packing it on there and blending it out in circular motions. Next, I'm taking this yellow shade also from Juvia's Place from the Zulu palette and putting it more towards closer to my eyebrow, just blending it out, giving it like a sunset kind of look, what I want to go for. And we're doing a cut crease today. So if you feel like you're losing some of that orange shade, just go right back in there and blend it out in circular motions. Next, I'm taking this plum shade also from Juvia's Place, and I'm just packing that on into my outer lid. Just trying to deepen it up is basically what I'm going for in this look. So I'm just packing that on there and blending it in circular motions. Next, I'm taking ROWDY from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and I just want to deepen my outer lid, so I'm just packing that right on there just to deepen up my eye. Next, I'm just going to create my half cut crease because that is the look we are going for today. And this step is pretty easy. Half cut creases are the easiest thing you can do. And then I'm just going to pack some setting powder to blend it out to prevent any creasing on my eyes. Next, I'm taking Muse from the Muse palette from the Makeup Shack, and I'm sitting that right in the center next to ROWDY, but I'm going to put a different color in the center of my eye, which you see on my other eye. So I'm just packing that on there right in the center, blending it between ROWDY. And then I'm going into my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collaboration palette that they have. And I'm just going to pack that shimmer shade right into the corner of my eye. Next, I'm taking my NYX Glitter and their glitter glue, and I'm packing that right onto that shimmer shade that I used. I'm not using a lot. I'm using a very light hand and a smaller brush because I don't want the glitter to be the focus of the eye. I just wanted to give it a little pop, but not too much. Next, I'm taking my lashes from the Makeup Shack in the style Lula. I love these lashes. I used to like Dubai, but I swear they made Dubai super thin now. So I like these way better. And next, I'm taking my avocado under eye cream from Kiehl's. I like using under eye cream before I start my foundation. It helps prevent creasing, even though granted your eyes are going to crease. But it just helps keep your foundation, your concealer, and then everything that you're packing on into your face. It keeps everything together and hydrated, and that's what you want for your face. You do not want your face to be dry. Alright, so with this foundation, you guys, I'm going to be totally honest. This is my first time using the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I believe I got Honey Beige or Honey something. I'll leave it in the description box for you guys. But I'm using the Makeup Shack brush, foundation brush. And I'll leave that number in the description box as well. But this foundation was too light for me. I should have went one shade darker, which I knew, but it was out of stock. So as you can see, I'm just looking at myself like, oh nah, we not liking this. But off camera it looks okay, but I don't know, I didn't really like it. So I'm just gonna blend it out. But it is full coverage, I'm gonna be honest. It's super full coverage, especially for a drugstore foundation. It's not bad. So I'm just gonna try to find my shade and then do this all over again. I like to use a beauty blender to get right up in there where my brush can't. Next, I'm taking Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'm just going to conceal under my eyes and my whole T-zone area. And also, you guys, don't get discouraged if you see that I'm moving pretty fast. This video has been chopped, deleted, fast forward, you know, so I'm going pretty fast. It looks like I am, but definitely take your time blending. You do not want to go too fast and rush because then your makeup won't come out right. So to blend my concealer, I'm using that small brush from the Real Techniques. I believe it's a powder brush. I love using this to sweep all my concealer under my eyes. And I'm just gonna speed through this face tutorial because we were focusing more on the eyes today. So I'm not gonna really explain too much of what I'm doing on the face. But if you guys want like a full face tutorial, let me know. And then I'm just setting my face using my Makeup Revolution translucent powder. I love this powder. This powder is slept on. Because look at that. Like, wrinkles where? Nowhere. Yeah, I love this powder. It's amazing. And then I'm taking this blush that I got from Tarte. And I'll leave the name in the description box. It's kind of too light for me, but I still love it. I don't know why I continue to wear it when I know it's way too light for me. But it blends with my contour, so it's okay. And I'm taking this highlighter from Fenty Beauty. I'll leave the name in the description box as well. But this is my favorite highlighter too. And next I am just outlining my lips using Cork lip liner from Maccosmetics. This is also my favorite lip liner. I use it for any lip looks I have. I love it so much. And I'm taking this NYX liquidy lip. It's like a velvet lip, honestly. It feels so good on my lips. So this is the final look. I'm just brushing out my hair. Do not get on my hair. I did not do it. I recorded this video at 2 o'clock in the morning. But I hope you guys like this look and stay tuned for my next video.